Torah from the 16th of the 8th month of 1446. Instruction was 5, separated from the transferring. Origins are reworked in the beginning. Names presents a version of their fleeing. And he called presages the priestly ruling. And the desert redacts the sacred spaces wandering. The words connects the events to a holistic teaching. Complication arises in far more than criticizing. Application won't stop with its sense of requiring. Ethnic comes through more than morals in its meaning. Nations have similar spiritual encounters and a sense of receiving. Devotion to it comes through in even those who are denying. Specifications are more than ritual. Combinations are formed with other sources for our experiencing. And the first line refers to the fact that, if not the earliest manuscripts, certainly some of the early identifications grouped Joshua in with what is called the 5 books of Moses. And it was later separated, and then you had the law, the prophets, and the writings.